How to create an irresistible freebie lead magnet for affiliate marketing. Welcome back to Winning Wealthy, where a winning attitude will take you to wealthy altitudes. Are you looking for a simple yet effective way to grow your affiliate marketing business? Have you been considering creating a freebie lead magnet, but feel lost on where and how to start? You're certainly in luck. By the end of this video, we'll help walk you through the steps it takes to create an irresistible offer that will bring prospects into your funnels, all through easily accessible online platforms. We understand that as a beginner, you don't want to commit too much time or resources towards something that might not attract any attention. That's why we will go over some simple tips and tricks about crafting strategies, using proven methods without breaking the bank. With our guidance, setting up an affordable and impactful lead magnet should be easy. But before I continue, please do me a favor and hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to be notified when I post new content. Let's get started. Step 1. Find your topic. All right, let's kick things off with the cornerstone of your lead magnet strategy, the topic. Think of it as the heart and soul of your magnet. The key here is to zero in on a topic that's not just relevant to your niche, but also resonates deeply with your audience. Imagine you're a detective and your mission is to uncover the pain points, desires, and interests of your audience. This isn't just about guessing, it's about diving deep into research, understanding what makes your audience tick. You want to craft something that doesn't just attract attention, but captivates and solves a real problem for them. This is where your lead magnet transforms from just another freebie into a compelling, irresistible piece of content that your audience can't wait to get their hands on. So take your time, do your homework, and choose a topic that's a game changer. Because when you hit that sweet spot, you're not just offering value, you're creating a connection. Step 2. Find lead magnet format. Now let's shift gears and talk about the format of your lead magnet. This is where the fun really begins. You've got a smorgasbord of options, ebooks that dive deep, snappy checklists for quick wins, customizable templates for the hands-on types, and video tutorials that bring learning to life. Each of these formats has its own charm and effectiveness. The key is to match the format with what your audience loves and what you're brilliant at. Are your followers avid readers who love to curl up with a detailed guide? Go for an ebook. Do they crave quick, actionable advice? A checklist is your answer. Maybe they love a more interactive, personal touch. Then a video tutorial is the way to your audience's heart. Your choice of format isn't just about delivering content. It's about creating an experience that feels tailor-made for your audience, leveraging your strengths to their fullest. So pick a format that's a win-win for both you and your audience, and watch as your lead magnet becomes more than just a tool. It becomes a memorable part of their journey with you. Step 3. Create content around your offer. All right, with your topic and format locked in, it's showtime, creating the content of your lead magnet. This is where you roll up your sleeves and pour your expertise into something extraordinary. Think of your lead magnet as a masterpiece in the making. It needs to be more than just good, it should scream high quality. From its eye-catching design to the insightful, value-packed information it holds. Every word, every image, every piece of advice should echo your expertise and dedication. Remember, this isn't just a freebie you're handing out, it's a golden ticket into the world of your brand. It's your moment to shine, to impress, to build a bridge of trust with your potential customers. So dive into this creation process with all your creativity and knowledge. Make sure that when your audience interacts with your lead magnet, they're not just consuming content, they're experiencing the depth of your understanding and the genuineness of your intent to help. This is your chance to not just capture their interest, but to captivate their trust and respect. Let's make this lead magnet a glowing testament to your expertise. Step 4. Promoting your offer. Now let's switch gears to a critical piece of the puzzle, promotion. Picture this. You've created an amazing lead magnet, but it's like a hidden treasure that no one knows about yet. It's time to shine a spotlight on it. Spread the word far and wide. Start with your website. Make it a star attraction there. Then take to social media. Tweet it, post it, share it in stories, reels, or whatever format that makes it pop. But don't stop there. Dive into online communities where your audience hangs out. Be it forums, groups, or discussion boards, get your lead magnet into those conversations. And here's a nifty trick. Team up with other affiliates. Offer your lead magnet as a bonus to their audience. It's like getting an endorsement from a friend. This isn't just about casting a wide net. It's about strategically placing your lead magnet in places where it will not only be seen, but will be welcomed with open arms. Your lead magnet has the potential to be a game changer, so let's make sure it gets the audience it deserves. Step 5. Capture your audience information. Think of it as the gateway to a treasure trove of opportunities. Here's the move. Set up a sleek, irresistible landing page or an opt-in form that's as inviting as a welcome mat. This is where the magic happens. Your visitors land here enticed by the promise of your lead magnet, and in a simple exchange, their email address for your valuable resource, a connection is born. But this is more than just an exchange. It's the beginning of a journey. With each email address, you're building a robust, targeted email list, a community of potential customers who've shown they trust you enough to invite you into their inbox. This is your chance to nurture these relationships, to grow them from seeds of interest into blossoming engagements. So let's make that landing page or opt-in form not just a formality, but a welcoming gateway into the world of your brand. Remember, in the vast digital landscape, these email addresses are like gold, the starting point of relationships that could flourish into loyal customer bonds. Let's get capturing. Congratulations, you now know the key steps to creating an irresistible freebie lead magnet for your affiliate marketing business. The ability to craft compelling offers, reach the right audience, and capture their information can be the difference between failure and success. With the right offer and motivation, potential customers go from unwitting passers-by to paying customers in no time flat. When working in affiliate marketing, it's all about getting that return on investment as quickly as possible. Use these steps for creating a lead magnet, execute them well, and you could be looking at some serious success stories made by your own handiwork. So what are you waiting for? It's time to take the plunge and use this as an opportunity to test out all of the different strategies that could drive success for your business. Click below link now to launch a wildly profitable affiliate business in 7 days or less. With this knowledge under your belt, there's no doubt that you'll be on the path towards massive success. Thanks for watching.